Welcome back to the channel, JC Home Remodels and Painting, DIY projects, and more. Well, as you know, we build this cabinet doors at the shop, shaker style doors for this half-bath remodel, more like a renovation that we did. So basically what we did, we took the old and in with the new, except the vanity stayed, and what we did is to make it look like new, we just upgraded the doors, and the outcome was beautiful, as you're gonna see at the end of the video. So hopefully I was able to explain everything the right way. The last video I had with the shaker style doors, how to make them. If you have any comments or questions about them, just put them down in the comments down below, and I will be more than happy to answer those. For the primer, I use Sticks primer. I've been using this primer for a long time, and it works wonderful. You can use it on old and new furniture or cabinets. And for the paint, we use a product called Command, also by Benjamin Moore. Alright, so I already put 2 coats. Here you can see where I put the 2 coats of the Benjamin Moore Command. It dries pretty nice and smooth. The sheen is a very nice sheen. It has 2 full wet coats there. What I mean by that is I put 1 coat, and before it dried, like where we got a little tacky, I went and go ahead and put the 2nd coat of Command. There's a couple little blemishes here and there, which I went and go ahead and resanded. I went and resand everything again because I wanted to put my one final last coat of the product. And here's the product that I use. Is Benjamin Moore Command. You can see the color there. Midnight is the color, and it's a satin by Command. And you can find this on their website or go to any Benjamin Moore store, and you can probably get that there. I used HVLP to do these doors. I used this gun to do the smaller jobs like this. It was only 4 doors and drawer fronts. So basically I didn't have to bring my airless. I used 1.8 on the tip, that's the size. And after doing all the sanding all the blemishes, you can see I'm kind of like digging on that little corner there. And then just went through the whole thing and sanded everything out. So I have a very nice smooth finish. For the sandpaper, I'm using a 400 grit sandpaper. You can also use like a 600, maybe a 320, but for more of a finer finish, I recommend a 400 and up. Also, I put a drop cloth on the bottom where it acts like a seal, instead of masking off the backside, since I already have painted, so you won't get any overspray. That kind of seals the edges very good whenever you're doing the spraying, so you don't have to worry about any overspray getting underneath your doors, because I'm pretty sure you're finishing out the bottom sides first and then doing the top side last. So that's how I do it anyway. You might have a little different system than I do, but the outcome is beautiful. As you can see here, everything's ready to spray. So we're back at the job site. You can see where the old stuff is still there. We're doing the demo in here right now. You can see the old doors that were on this cabinet, on this vanity. So the next thing to do is just get everything out and in with the new. All new plumbing, shower tile, new tub, new toilet, new everything. And for the cabinet, this is the cabinet that we're going to be painting here. And what I did is I used the Command paint with a little 1-inch brush that I use for little areas like this, and then I roll everything with a whiz roller velour, and the outcome is beautiful. For small areas like this, you can use the whiz roller, because command, I believe you're not supposed to roll it or brush it because it dries so quick on you. But if you're fast enough, you can probably knock it out. So once we're done with all the painting, and here you can see the beautiful tile work on the tub. The tub itself, the wall tile looks beautiful. The floor tile looks beautiful. All new hardware. The shaker style doors that we did at the shop, they look amazing. They look great. Brings out this whole thing, ties it up together like it's a brand new cabinet. And also put the new countertop, new mirrors, new floating shelves that we did. Install the lighting, wall fixtures, paint the ceilings, paint the walls, put all new baseboards, and just pretty much did everything new from the floor up, basically. But no walls were changed or removed. We just kept the same old stuff. In other words, kept the same walls. And if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I really want to thank y'all for sticking around to the end and watching this video. And I also want to thank all the new subscribers that we have on the channel. We're up to 320 as of right now. Thank y'all again, and let's keep this channel going. See y'all on the next one. Thank you.